Good afternoon, everyone. We're Team 5, and today we will be presenting our project for the UNLV Solar Decathlon 2020. Our project is a single-story modular home designed to be highly energy efficient, innovative, and sustainable. The goal is to demonstrate how modular construction can minimize waste support, renewable energy system, and deliver a high-performance home with reduced environmental impact. Our installation location is an assigned compound at UNLV, prefab at 851 East Tropicana Avenue in Las Vegas, and later relocated, which provides the space and accessibility needed for assembly and solar system testing. Today, we'll walk you through our contract scope, schedule, risk, and key lessons we learned throughout the project.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fernando, and I'll be going over the contract scope. For this project, we had a lot of requirements that we had to follow. The most important one being to follow all of the Las Vegas regulations. We also had to make sure that we had the correct materials and equipment during procurement, and that we assemble the modular components the way the drawings call for. We also included all the testing systems. For this project, we also made a few key assumptions. The first one being that all material and labor were readily available. We also assumed that we had sufficient budget to cover the whole cost of the project. And we also assumed that the drawings from the engineering and the architectural scope were finalized, meaning there were going to be no revisions. We made a few exclusions when creating the schedule. We came up that there would be no site preparation, no landscaping, no parking area or interior finishes. And this is our work breakdown structure. This WBS organized major project areas such as procurement, modular fabrication, assembly, solar system installation, testing, and project closeout. This framework helped us establish a sequence for accurate scheduling.
Hello, everyone. My name is Miguel. I will be talking a little bit about the schedule and key milestones. So our schedule was created using Primavera P6, which allowed us to identify the critical path and track progress effectively. Some key project dates included start date, September 2nd, 2025. Our completion date, March 5th, 2026. Total working days, about 130 based on a 5-day, 8-hour work week. We incorporated 5 major milestones covering phases such as procurement, module fabrication, assembly, system testing, and final completion. Primavera helped us analyze how delays impact the critical path and overall timelines. Although it's a powerful tool, its complexity made it less accessible to some team members, which increased the need for coordination and communication.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin. I will be going over the risk issues and concerns for our project. Throughout the project, we encountered several risks that had the potential to impact our performance. The Las Vegas weather was a major factor. Strong winds and extreme temperatures created scheduling challenges that we had to plan. Large city events as F1 also pose risk by affecting our transportation, logistics, and delivery times. Winter testing for our solar was an issue as we were not able to get an accurate reading on that compared to the rest of the year. Another challenge was that we did not involve any subcontractors, so our team handled every scope. From these experiences, we learned just how important teamwork, detailed planning are part for a project success. In conclusion, our project schedule was completed on Primavera P6 using logical sequencing of activities. our WBS, and forming a critical path to project completion. And we also used our metric analysis form to revise our schedule. And the most important learnings from the project would be, like I mentioned previously, teamwork, collaboration, constantly improving our schedule, attention to details, and also just strengthening our skills in Primavera P6 software, which became an essential part of managing our schedule effectively. Thank you for your time and be happy to answer any questions.